Fulera Gaon ke Sachiv ji is back with another season where he is dealing with newer problems along with Pradhan ji, Manju ji, Rinki, Prahlad Cha, Vikas and other residents of Fulera. Welcome back guys to another episode of Popcorn and Perspectives with your host Swati Kulkarni. Panchayat Season 3 has been recently launched, directed by Deepak Kumar Mishra, released in May 2024. This series is available on Amazon Prime. With the premise of Uttar Pradesh, which usually is portrayed in Bollywood as a place where there is a khule-aam violence, Panchayat Season 1, released in 2020, was an exceptionally different series. It has all the necessary masala in it. A hero who is there as a stopgap arrangement between his dream of becoming a big fellow. There are few other supporting characters who definitely have their own mark, their own style, which has brought amazingly to this series. With first series ending and establishing entire storyline with a hint of a sweet romance between Sachiv ji and Rinki, along with making all these characters our favorite, we saw Panchayat Season 2, which was released in 2022, where the already established series moves to more serious turn at the end, all the while introducing new characters and their grey shades. So when Panchayat Series 3 was announced, the hopes were already too high for this series. And this Panchayat from Fulera holds you dearly for a roller coaster journey of emotions throughout. Me and my husband binged this entire series of 8 episodes. The series continues with the point where series 2 had ended, with a tinge of sadness for Prahlad Cha, a usually happy-go-lucky fellow who is like a rock to entire Panchayat. We see this fellow being broken to pieces and other people trying to support him like a family by being there with him without questioning anything and taking care of him. Pradhan ji and Manju ji are now becoming more excellent in leading Fulera. Though they have their differences, they are trying to find out the best possible way out. Sachiv ji and Rinki are trying to figure out their own equation, which has been shown in a very sweet way. There are other grey characters, some from village itself and some who are supposedly in power and have grudges against this Panchayat team. These grey characters are trying their level best to make sure that this core team loses and they will get their deserving revenge. Whether they get successful and what will Sachiv ji would do is very interesting to see. There are unexpected turns in decisions taken. There are personality shifts seen along with the changing equations in the entire series. Just like previous 2 seasons, Panchayat Season 3 proves to be worthy to watch. If you have seen this series and have followed previous 2 seasons, then you are definitely going to enjoy this season. Once again, the series ends on a cliffhanger, pointing out the positive possibility of next season. Join Sachiv ji in his exploration about his life purpose, his job, his journey of establishing a strong and meaningful relationship in Panchayat Season 3. I'll see you very soon with another Hatke review of movies and web series. Till then, bye-bye!